Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to return and refund your Shipstreak order in case of any mistakes happening throughout the way. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. As you can see, currently we are on the Shipstreak main page, so we have what we offer, integrate logistics solutions, scale your online business, and go all the way down until you see the button that says contact us. Once you go here, you're going to click on it, and then you have to fill in this form. Now for the type of query, select support request, and then from here type in your name. So let's say anything Jack, and then in the phone number add it, and then the email fill it. And then here how we can help you, you have to add the order number and then simply ask for refund. So let's say the order number is this, and then we ask for hello, I would like to ask for a refund for this product since it arrived damaged. Or if you would like to get a refund before it arrives, then you can just specify that as well, and then you simply click submit, and that's all you need to have. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.